Welcome to Friday, October 16, 2009. We finally made it to the end of the week. That's great. I think we all had a pretty good week if we traded correctly. Definitely I did. Today has been a day that we had a major pullback. Not major, but a pretty decent pullback over 100 points. And I decided instead of looking and getting into new positions, I had two opportunities within my portfolio that alerted me enough to pick up some more shares. And those two were ticker symbol CSX, which I believe very strongly had good positive earnings the other day. For some reason, it dipped today in the market. Obviously, the entire market pulling it down again. And it dipped enough, if you see here in front of the chart, it dipped down. This is a 1 day chart, and I picked up some more shares. You know what I mean? And building the position. I still believe that we're going to continue past 10,000. The S&P 500, the Dow 10,000, we're going to continue, and we're still running with the bulls. I don't believe in a double dip recession. I don't believe we're going to pull back 3, 4, 5, 6, 700 points. We're going to get 100 point pullbacks like this, more or less. I'm still watching. I'm not saying 100%, but I'm 80% there. Where I used to be 60, 70, I'm 80% there. There's a lot of money on the sidelines. That money is starting to trickle in now that we've made it, believe it or not, to 10,000, even though it's just a number to professional traders. For the general public, it's a very strong psychological number. And those are the people, besides other firms, that will call their brokers up and say, hey, let's put some money to work. And it gives the general public confidence that the market is starting to move forward and upward, and we are getting out of this recession. So I'm a true believer in this. So we got to look at every aspect possible. Okay, so CSX was one that I picked up some more shares. I was gonna look into some new stocks. I'm still looking. I'm going through my screener, but as you see, we dipped down on CSX. I picked it up, and we are starting to rally. The market right now, it was, as I told you, a hundred and change points down. Now it's only down 40. Let me see, 62 points. I think I just saw 43. So we are charging upward, and it's 133 at the moment. Another stock that's within my portfolio that I picked up, even though it went and it had weak earnings this morning. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. I was choking there for a second. The other stock that I picked up some more shares on, you'll see here, is Bank of America. It pulled back over $1 or just under $1. I forgot right now. This morning, and you'll see here it pulled back and it started. I was watching it in pre-market. Believe it or not, trading it from today. I was a little lazy, so trading it from my bedroom, and it pulled down to like 1710, and I was still watching the ticker and watching the tape go by. Excuse me. And I decided to pull the trigger once I saw a little curve come up at 710, which the volume started, finishing up the negative volume. So instead of 1710, I wanted 1710, but it's only a couple pennies. I was able to pick it up at 1713. And it went up and down for quite a bit. This was pre-market, and I was able to pick it up at 1713. So I picked up some more shares. It was flatlined for a little while, but you'll see we are increasing little by little, and it's already pulled my position a lot higher. So I'm happy to say that. And I think even though Bank of America has had a $2 billion loss today, I still believe in Bank of America. I think it is going to continue rallying forward. I think this is just obviously part of the recession, but I still think Bank of America's balance sheet looks good. So that's ticker symbol BAC. If you guys are still interested, I think this is a great buying point. All right, guys, this is Pete from PetesTwoCents.com, and I'll talk to you guys soon.